welcome back to my channel. Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary is spread over the southeastern corner of the Western Ghats in the southern state of Kerala. It was declared as a sanctuary in 1958 and is 40 km away from Thiruvananthapuram. The 1868 meters tall Agastyamalai Peak is an important landmark which is also the drainage basin for Mullayar, Kallar and Neyyar rivers. The best season for tourist visit to this place is between the months of November and March. So, this video is all about Meenmutty trekking. Hope you would love this video and this place. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. There are several trekking routes to the sanctuary and we are moving through one of the best routes, Meenmutty Waterfall. We have 1 hour of boating, the view being filled with small, beautiful island forest. The view highlights the majestic scenic beauty with leaves appearing more bright due to the early morning sunlight, the misty mountains far away and the high peak of Agastyamalai mountains. The final destination of our boating is Kombai Settlement Colony. Trekking begins from Carney Tribal Settlement Colony, Carneys being the predominant tribes of Agasthyamala forest. There is totally 30 minutes trekking through these Carney farmlands. On the way, several rocky structures can be noticed. During early times, these rocks were used as temporary shelters by the tribes for protecting themselves from the wild animal attacks or disasters. Now, as all of them have houses, these rocks exist as an evidence of the incidents and as a gift of nature. The steps people built, kitchens and more can be witnessed on the rocks. We can also notice several Carney tribal people passing through the forest to collect honey and other forest products. There are different types of climatic conditions in the forest, one being the after monsoon season from November to January and the other being the beginning of summer season from February. At present, that is February end, the temperature is almost 30 degrees Celsius, which is a hot climatic condition. But as we are moving through a tropical rainforest, the climate feels to be a little humid and breezy. Also, we do not feel tired or dizzy. During the monsoon season, the forest appears wet and gives shelter to many creatures like leeches, earthworms, beetles, moths and butterflies. Also, the rivers get filled with water. Now, from this point onwards, we are moving through a riverside. The river gets ferocious and overflooding during the rainy season from the month of June to October. Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve consists of a huge variety of medicinal herbs. One such plant found in the riverside is frankincense or kundirikam, commonly called in India as dhoop. This plant is used in the purification of air. We should be very careful and cautious as there are many predator eyes watching our movements. The defecations of the predators can be spotted at many places while trekking. But there is no much need for the tourists to be scared as there is less number of conflicts between the animals and the humans. At last, we have reached a rest house named Mermaid situated near Meenmutty Waterfall. The building is spacious enough with 2 bedrooms, a kitchen and a storeroom and moreover solar electricity. It gives us a mind-calming experience inside the deep forest with the sound of waterfall and the chirps and buzzes of the forest animals. At the river banks, there are several Indian laurel trees or charupana trees. And at the higher elevations of the waterfall, there are poison devil shrubs, also called Analivegam, which repel snakes and are used for treating snake bites, especially of cobra. The view from the top of the waterfall is stupendous. But during the rainy season, the water turns frightful. The fierce movement of the water creates traps on the rocks, thus making it difficult to step into the river during the period. So now, after this long journey, let's return home. While moving back, we got a bit lucky to see a leopard sitting on a rock. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos related to Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary trekking, subscribe my channel.